I'm Ryan Shortness. I'm a crop associate for Gold Star FS out of the Woodhull location. We line up flights with farmers. We try to look at stand count, early season crop health, late season crop health, and tassel count. So my job is to go out, fly the fields, capture the images, stitch the data back together, and then we go back out and have a conversation with the farmer to discuss what we discovered. Being able to go out and talk to the grower about the infield variability and what we've actually been able to capture, instead of maybe just having a hunch on some bad spots in some fields, we can actually look at the data and troubleshoot and go back out and try to be more efficient with the precision side of precision agriculture. Discovering areas of interest on their farms, economics is a big part of it. If we're able to increase a couple bushels here or there and bring some ROI back to the farm, I think that's very positive. The ability to build a better story from start to finish throughout the growing season. There's the plant map and the yield map, but what really happens between planting and harvest is what we're here to do, try to help to fine-tune the farmers program. And I think farmers should work with Gold Star, not just their imagery, but our precision department as a whole. I think that's much more efficient when it comes to economics. We talk about soil sampling, VRT, fertilizer, and aerial imagery are kind of the big three that we're trying to move towards. I think it's extremely exciting to be able to work with Gold Star and partner with farmers so we can better fine-tune their operation and at the end of the day, make them a better, more efficient farmer and in turn make more money.